Hi, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to change the back brake light bulbs for a 2009 Toyota Corolla. Okay, and this is what you need to do. You need to take out these two screws right here, the rubber screws. And what you do, you need one of these, or you can get a screwdriver. And then what you do, yank this out. And then what you do, you just open this up. And now what you want to do is, see how these little wires are in the way? So, I mean, a lot of people do it. They just change it from there. You could, but I like it more easier. So you pull this out, and what you do, you just yank this out. So now what you want to do is, you want to turn this right here to the left, and then just bring out the light bulbs. And then what you do is, you want to move it side by side, pulling it out. So I went to the auto part and gave me a new light bulbs, and that's the number for the light bulbs for the tail light for the Corolla. And usually if you take the old one in and show it to them, there'll be a number on the light bulb of that number. And here's how you want to put it back. I got the old burn one, and there's a number right there. See, the new one is here, and this is how you put it back, which I don't think it matters on the back side which way is going. So what you want to do is, you just plug it back on, push it in until you hear that click, and then put it back. Turn it back, you hear that click, and then put this one, clip this one back, and then clip this one back, and then put these back on, flip it back, bring the two screws, the rubber screws, push it in, and you are done. Okay, now let's go test it out if it's really working. So if you change this side, I recommend you to change the other side too, because the other side will be burning out too pretty soon, so you're gonna have to replace it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.